Welcome to Doberman Security. My name's Mark Jennings. Today we're here to talk about the features and benefits of the Doberman Security Toolbox Alarm for tradesmen, for their utes, toolboxes, tradesman trailers and ute canopies. In my hands here we have the system itself with a key remote control, two magnetic contact sensors and the main alarm unit. Placing these two sensors inside a toolbox within 1 centimetre of each other and pressing the arm button, waiting for 5 seconds for the unit to engage. Once these sensors are broken from someone entering your toolbox, like so, triggering a very loud alarm system, hopefully deterring theft from your toolbox.